UI designers don't just design interfaces, we from time to time manage chaos, like absolute chaos. And nowhere is that more obvious than Figma layer panel. I mean, look at that. Even though you think that the naming convention is good, everything is organized well, this can be an absolute chaos. So, let's fix that. You are working on a file with dozens of frame components and every group is expanded, right? Scrolling through layers like this wastes time and kills your focus, unfortunately. So, what about the solution? Click anywhere in Layers panel. Okay. Hit Option L on Mac or Alt L on Windows. So you see, the shortcut collapses everything, basically like a reset button for your file structure. Let's rewind a little bit. You can also collapse without shortcut, but I highly recommend shortcuts for you to use with this collapse layer button. It can do all the file structure easy peasy. So you don't need to collapse each item one by one. This button or the shortcut does it with a single tap. And again, the shortcuts are Option and L on Mac, Alt L on PC. What if you want to open just one section without expanding everything? Just for example, I'm working on base tokens right now, this one, but I would like to see all the underlying layers. Well, it's pretty easy. You can hold the option again on PC, it's Alt, and click once and voila, you can see everything. Only for base tokens. It opens just that part, showing the only sublayers you want to see. Great for isolating components like buttons, headers, or sections without opening the whole file. Layer clarity is not just nice to have, it should be part of your craft. It makes your developer handoffs smoother, keeps your files scalable, and build trust with clients and teams. If this saves you time, save the video or drop a like if you want more Figma tips like that. Thanks for watching.